I wanted to make a quick video to give you a sense of how to put together your final blog posts where you will embed both your project, which will be in video form, and I strongly encourage you to upload that to YouTube because it creates very portable embed codes and file formats, as well as your Chicago-style bibliography. So what you're seeing here is a composition field within the blog. You're all familiar with this as you've all written a post. What I wanted to show you is more or less how I got this together. I don't yet have a video posted here, but I'll show you that. You can, however, see the embedded Chicago-style bibliography. So let's start there. As I note in this comment, I encourage you to make your Chicago-style bibliography in Google Docs. And once you've done that, here's a sample one that I've put together. You should go ahead and once it's finished, of course in proper format, I have some things that aren't right here in terms of larger fonts and bold font as well. You go to the File menu and you select Publish to the Web. I've already clicked Publish on this one, but if I were to do it again, I'll give you a sense of what it looks like. It pulls up this menu, you click Start Publishing, tell it OK, and then you go to this embed code and just copy it with Command-C, close it, and then go back to your Blogger pane. And when you have embed code, you have to go over to the HTML tab, which is right here next to the Compose field. So in the HTML tab, I've already put it in here, but I'll paste it again. I'm going to paste the code. There's one trick that you have to be aware of in order to make it fit well on the post, which is you have to designate how wide and how tall the embedding should be. I recommend for our blog it's set at 640 as the default, and you can set the height at 600. That's a pretty convenient size. And then when you go back to the Compose pane, you'll see it there. So 640 and 600, you have to enter that in on the HTML code, and it will properly format it over on the Compose page. Now, when you want to put in the YouTube video, and I have a space for it here, you go to your YouTube video, you'll upload it onto YouTube via QuickTime or Keynote or whatever program you use. Here's a sample one I was looking at. And then you'll go down to the Share menu and select Embed. This will also provide you embed code. It gives you various sizes. I strongly encourage you again to select 640 by 360. It designates the width and the height there, as you can see. Copy it, go back to Blogger, go to the HTML pane, and then you can paste it right after that. And let's see what it looks like. And then you can go back to Compose and check it out. So you can see I've put it at the appropriate point in the post. I will ultimately embed this video in that spot, but this is what it will look like. So when you're all done, I'll show you what a preview of the post looks like. Here it's generating it. You have a sample post, you've got the video, you've got your bibliography, and those are the two things that I need to see in your final post. Remember, those are due on Tuesday afternoon by 3 p.m. Tuesday, November 26th by 3 p.m. Please be in touch with me if you have any questions before then. Otherwise, good luck, and I'm looking forward to seeing your final projects.